Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another Land Rover LR3 instrument cluster. This is a 2009 sent to me by Jonathan S. from PA. He has a list of full codes. As you can see, there is a lot of, I cover his information. Hopefully, yeah, there is no information shown. But yeah, he has, the common on these vehicles, because this is a gateway, right? So part of the gateway and everything, there is a multiple loss of communication with, a lot of modules in the car, and that is the gremlins. And that's how I call this situation that the instrument cluster causes, because it's very intermittent, on and off and on and off, and that creates, loss of communication, because it's kind of like shorting out the CAN bus. So, and this is the powertrain CAN bus in other buses on the vehicle. As you can see, we have the instrument pack, medium speed CAN. So as you can see, medium speed CAN, less communication with parking assist, which is a very, again, the very common situation on this one. So I'm going to repair and just perform an after repair calibration of the needles. This is a very common repair. I got multiple videos showing these connections, this testing, and how to set up the needles. If you want, I'm going to attach this video to a playlist, and probably put them in the description, the playlist, so you can watch it. Yep, again, what I do in this one is replace all capacitors, diodes, resolder the entire board, the connector, and then resolder the microprocessor and the flash EEPROM, or flash memory, sorry. In some other areas, it needs to be repaired on the instrument cluster. This is a very difficult repair due to the epoxy that the manufacturer put around the microprocessor and other areas. Try to the same, try to keep it in place for vibrations and other things. 2009, that's almost 20 years. But yeah, I have repaired all this instrument cluster with 100% success rate. So if you have any of these clusters, I would recommend you don't even try. You would most likely damage the board to no repair, which I have one that was close to that, and I was actually successfully be able to repair it for the customer. But again, if you have one of these, just send it over. You can visit my website. Let me just show you here. So this is my website, and that's how my name is spelled. Mike, it sounds as Mike, M-A-I-C, SalazarDiagnostics.com. So as you see right there up in the bar, what I have done in here to make it very simple and very easy for all of you is I put the shipping address in here, and then click here to contact me. That will open your email browser, so you can start communicating with me and establish, a line of conversation, so we can get your PCM instrument cluster, whatever that you need to repair, on the way here. And as you see here on this video, I always record a short video for the customers, so you can see the before and after. On this cluster, there's sometimes they come dead, sometimes it's like this one, the power's up, and then eventually it will just die, and it's like, again, creating all these gremlins. And I told the customer, don't worry about it, because like I said, I have repaired these with 100% success rate, and all the vehicles are back to business and no more gremlins. All right, let me stop the video here. I will be again coming back with the next part, which is setting up the needles and testing everything, make sure everything is reading properly. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm done with the repairs. I put the instrument cluster all together. I already did the calibrations of the needles, but I wanted to show it on the video, so I'm trying to make the videos as short as possible, especially when it's a repetitive repair, let's say, Again, if you want to see more, you can go and visit the playlist that I'm going to attach in here. All right, so let me, in this, I'm going to have to manually select it. So European vehicle, Land Rover, we select this. That is the software for Land Rovers. Updating might take several minutes. Let me see, it's updating the MDCI Pro. It's very quickly, because I just updated the tool, so let's do an update for it. Okay. All right, we're gonna do manual selection, discovery. I think I do discovery 3. And in this one, for me, it doesn't matter. In yours, you will select it with the beam. Because remember, all I'm trying to do is, do the sweep test. Very clean, very good instrument cluster. Nobody was ever before in there on Jonathan's cluster. All right, so we're going to select the instrument cluster, enter here, and we're going to go into actuated tests. This is a plus or minus. All right, so we're going to start in order. Let's do the tachometer pointer first. I usually go to 50%. This is the one that shows like 51%. I don't know why. This is the only one that does that. So we're going to start and we want to see the tachometer. Yeah, it's a little over the forward, which is 51%. So that is perfect. So we exit. Needle comes back to that. So that is good. Let's do the temperature. Right now we go in order of position. So we're going to go to 50%. Since it's nothing connected to the cluster, you can see that the temperature is maxed out. That is completely normal. All right, I'm going to start, and we can see how that needle is perfectly in the middle. All right, so we exit there. Next, we're going to do the fuel level position, or fuel level, sorry. We're going to select again 50%, start, and we got the needle perfectly in the middle. All right, so we exit that, and now we're going to do the speedometer. This one reads perfectly 50%, which the needle should be in 12 o'clock, right? Let's do that. All right. And we can see how that one is perfectly in the middle. All right, Jonathan, your instrument cluster is ready to go. I will be contacting you shortly, send you the invoice, collect payment, and send this your way tomorrow morning. Today is Friday, so it should probably be arriving your way by Monday. All right, guys, thank you so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.